Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Hunter.io for verifying business email deliverability, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Hunter.io for verifying business email deliverability, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Hunter.io website. On the home page, locate the Get Started button and click it. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account for quicker access. Once you have completed the form, submit your information. Check your email for a verification link from Hunter.io. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. After verifying your email, return to the Hunter.io website and log in. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. On the dashboard, explore the various features available for email verification. To install the Hunter.io browser extension, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Find the Browser Extensions section and choose your preferred browser. Click the link to the browser store, such as Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons. In the browser store, click the Add to Browser button. Follow the prompts to complete the installation of the extension. After installation, you will usually see the Hunter.io icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the icon to open the Hunter.io extension. You might need to log in again with your Hunter.io credentials. Now you can start verifying email addresses directly from your browser. To use the verification tool, enter the email address you want to check in the provided field. Click the Verify button to see the deliverability status. Review the results, which will indicate if the email is deliverable, risk level, and more. For further assistance, explore the Help section on the Hunter.io website. With these steps, you have successfully installed Hunter.io and are ready to verify business email deliverability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.